guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about cabbage. Simple, really easy, and simple to make. And the cabbage I'm going to make, I'll mix it with stock fish or just dried fish that you get from the African market. Before becoming like this, it was just a whole chunk of fish. I had to put in water overnight for like 24 hours for it to soften it up. So I have everything ready. I have the cabbage in a pot and the medium heat with a little bit of water. I start cooking the cabbage a little bit for like 5 minutes. Then I add vegetable oil to start sauteing it. Then I'll add the stock fish or dry fish. I like to put everything together so I have less work. Going to add I usually just like to keep it simple. I'm going to just use onion, garlic, and tomato, fresh tomato. I cut whole onion, but I'm just gonna use half, and 2 garlic cloves and 2 tomato roma. And later on, I'll be adding tomato sauce that I put in a freezer, in a little freezer bag, so I can keep it fresh. Stir it, just mix it all up. And then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. And before covering it up, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, black pepper. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of salt. Just a little reminder, I did not, the dry fish wasn't salted. If it was salted, I wouldn't put so much salt. So and I had it put in water overnight for almost 2 days. I was rinsing it out and changing the water, but it's not salted, so I can add as much salt to my taste. What I'm trying to do here is just covering the spices, the tomatoes, so it can cook too. I'm mixing everything up. Let's cover that up and let's let it cook. While it's cooking, I still have to check it in case it burns, so you want to check it and stir it occasionally. And at this point, I'm going to add the tomato paste or tomato sauce I talk about, and I just throw in the chunk in there. As you can see, it's changing already. I like to add I'm going to add a little bit of water, like a cup water, so I can cook. And that's mainly for the fish that need to be cooked. The cabbage is already cooked. It doesn't take that long. And I'm just using the electric kettle to add water. I love this electric kettle. That's why I drink my teas. It boils up really fast. And I got it from Amazon. So we're gonna cover it and cook it a little bit more. At this point, after 10 minutes, you can taste to see if the salt is right. So while it's still cooking, I'll go do my stuff. Just keeping in mind that I have things on the stove. Now it's ready. I'm gonna take it out. And there's the puppy in the background, always follow me around. So I'm gonna put it in a bowl. It's ready to be served either with rice, but I'm just gonna eat fufu. You can add some salt if you need to. That's how you can see the chunks of the fish.